Thor Broadcast would like to present our top 5 485 rupees to fiber. Here we have 5 professional grade quality products. The first one is 8ch video over fiber, 8-channel baseband composite video over fiber for the security industry. The second unit is 1 CVBS video only over fiber TX, RX kit. Compact single-channel analog baseband, BNC, NTSC or PAL video over single-mode or multimode fiber. The third one is 2ch video over fiber, 2-channel baseband composite video over fiber. The fourth product is 16ch baseband video and 485 rupees per 422 rupees per 232 rupees over fiber, 16-channel baseband composite video over fiber for the security industry. The fifth product is 4ch video over fiber, 4-channel baseband composite video over fiber for the security industry. For more information about the products, please check the link in the description below the video. Thank you for watching.